What should I do if my Xbox One controller is not responding after resetting?
Hello, Xbox gamers. Today, we're going to tackle a common issue that many of us face. What to do when your Xbox One controller stops responding after a reset. This issue can occur for a variety of reasons, but don't worry. We're going to break it down into a few simple steps.
Check your controller's batteries.
First things first. Let's make sure your controller isn't out of juice. Change or recharge the batteries in your Xbox One controller. A low battery can sometimes cause issues with connectivity or responsiveness.
Reconnect your controller to the console.
Next, try to manually sync your controller with the console. Here's how to do it. 1. Press the Xbox button on your console to turn it on. 2. Then, press and hold the Connect button on your Xbox One for a few seconds until the Xbox logo starts flashing. 3. Finally, press and hold the Connect button on your controller until the Xbox button on the controller starts flashing rapidly. If your controller connects successfully, the Xbox button on the controller will stay lit.
Perform a hard reset.
If your controller still isn't responding, it might be time to perform a hard reset on your Xbox One. 1. Hold down the Xbox button on the front of your console for about 10 seconds until it turns off. 2. After the console has shut down, unplug the power cord and wait for 10 seconds. 3. Plug it back in and turn on your console by pressing the Xbox button. Then, try to reconnect your controller to your console as described in Section 2.
Try a different controller.
If none of the above steps work, try testing with a different controller. This can help determine if the issue lies with the controller itself or the console. If the new controller works, you may need to replace your old one. And there you have it, folks. Some simple troubleshooting steps to get your Xbox One controller back in action after a reset. Always remember to check your controller's batteries, reconnect your controller, perform a hard reset, and try a different controller if necessary. We hope this video helps you to resolve your issues. Happy gaming!